Hi there, students. Crepuscular. Crepuscular. This is an adjective. This is an adjective describing the time of day just before the sun goes down, when there's dusk or twilight. Now, I think technically it should just be in the evening before the sun goes down, but I think that little bit has been lost, and I think nowadays you could use it to talk about the morning or the evening, when it goes either from day to night or night to day. So crepuscular, talking about dawn, about dusk, dawn in the morning, dusk in the evening. You can use this word crepuscular to talk about animals that are active just after the sun rises or just before the sun goes down. So animals that are active in the twilight. So the crepuscular sky was filled with red and purple clouds. Yeah, you know, this amazing sundowns. Yeah, so particularly talking about light, light that is either dim, is not very bright. Yeah, resembling twilight. So the crepuscular lighting in the room made it difficult to see things clearly. Yeah. Okay, so active in the evening, active at twilight. You could probably use it to mean indistinct as well. Yeah, the crepuscular images on the photo in the photo were very difficult to make out. Let's see, for example, bats are crepuscular creatures. Yeah, they come out when the sun starts to go down. Yeah, they are predominantly crepuscular, but you can sometimes see them in the daytime. Yeah. Okay, so crepuscular activity in the evening after the sun goes down. Okay. Yeah, a crepuscular foraging animal. We went for a crepuscular walk in the park and it was beautiful. Okay, yes, the crepuscular charm of the end of the 19th century, the end of the Victorian era. It had this crepuscular charm. Yeah, metaphorically talking about twilight or the end of an era. Okay, so when with crepuscular light, you can't see things very clearly. Okay, so let's see. Crepuscular, formality. This is a very literary word. I think I'd probably give it 7.5, 8 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. It still sounds very literary. I'd use it in a semi-formal writing, particularly something poetic or descriptive, or a very formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from crepusculum, meaning twilight, around twilight, when it gets dark, twilight, dusk. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Crepuscular.